I'm Dana Johnson with Johnson Real Estate Group. Welcome, and let's take a tour of this beautiful home. As you enter this beautiful home, you will find the formal dining room on one side and a private office on the other side. Welcome to 320 County Road 794 in Jonesboro, Arkansas. This exquisite estate sits on 8.69 acres in the beautiful Terra Hills subdivision. This home has 4 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths. There's so much to see and so many details to show you, like this beautiful fireplace. It's gas on the inside and wood burning on the outside. We'll get to that in just a moment, but for now, let me show you this gorgeous kitchen. This beautiful kitchen offers double ovens for those holiday dinners, a 5-burner gas Wolf cooktop. You've got beautiful cabinetry, all of which have these wonderful slide-out drawers in every cabinet. We have a large pantry over here that surrounds the refrigerator. Deep sink and dishwasher round out our appliances in the kitchen. Beautiful travertine floors that flow into the breakfast area and all the way over into the formal dining room. At the end of the day, everyone deserves a private place to retreat. This 1,000 square foot primary suite is amazing. Let's take a look around. Talk about luxury and comfort. This primary ensuite offers heated travertine floors throughout, a deep soaker tub with jets, and a custom tile shower with 2 shower heads and body jets. This room is built on a concrete slab to support the weight of exercise equipment if you wanted to use this for a home workout space. One of the more thought out details of this home is this pass-through cabinet that goes from the large walk-in closet directly into the laundry room. You can put your dirty clothes down here that slides out through the laundry room, and when your clothes are finished, you can hang them up and retrieve them back in your closet. This pass-through cabinet makes doing laundry convenient. 2 additional bedrooms with private en-suites, a half bath, and oversized laundry room round out the main level of this home. Let's take a look around upstairs, where you will find a huge media room, game room, second living area, and another bedroom with private bath. Talk about storage, you can't beat this 450 to 500 square foot attic space. This particular space is not climate controlled. However, because of the full encapsulation, it is very comfortable in here, even on a hot day like today. This area also is home to one of the 2 tankless water heaters and one of 3 heat and air systems. This large space is just one of many available for storage. This particular one is climate controlled with central heat and air. And as for the whole house, you have full encapsulation with foam insulation, making the house very energy efficient. The basement in this home is every man's dream, offering a 3-bay garage space, work area, and a man cave. There's a full bath and a completely finished safe room. Let's explore the outdoor space here, where you have a fully stocked pond, private dock, fire pit with grill, and a shop with overhead doors. This house also has a sprinkler system in part of the yard and all of the flower beds. But for now, let's go out to this beautiful pond and take a look at all the fish. I hope you have enjoyed the tour of this gorgeous estate. For more information, please give me a call, Dana Johnson with Johnson Real Estate Group, area code 870-919-2226.